How to make your Discord profile invisible. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open your profile. Then click on Edit Profile in here. After you've clicked on Edit Profile, simply click on the pencil icon above your profile. Click on Upload Image. After you've clicked on Upload Image, select the picture you want to add. Then press on Save. After your profile picture is done, if you click on the pencil icon at the top again, you'll find these options, which is Remove Avatar. There's only one way to remove avatar. So to make your Discord profile invisible, you can use any apps or websites to turn your picture invisible. And this is how to make your Discord profile invisible. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.